Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping so stickers last. Clean each nail with 70% alcohol or acetone to remove oils, then dry completely. Once done, trim and file to the final shape and gently push back cuticles so stickers lay flat. Now match sticker sizes to nails and arrange them in order. This saves time and prevents fumbling. Make sure adhesive surfaces stay untouched. When you pick up a sticker, use tweezers or edges, only so it keeps full. You place each sticker starting at the base, center it at the cuticle line, and then roll it toward the tip to avoid wrinkles. Next, press edges firmly and use a wooden stick or silicone tool to smooth any bubbles outward. This prevents lifting later. If there's excess, trim close with small scissors or slide a coarse file across the free edge with 1/2 stroke motions to remove surplus. Make sure edges are sealed. A precise application now prevents chipping in the coming days. You finish by applying 1 or 2 thin coats of a glossy top coat. If you use gel top coat, cure under LED/UV for the recommended time to lock everything in. Once done, apply cuticle oil and make sure to avoid prolonged water exposure for the first 2 to 4 hours to maximize adhesion. If a corner lifts later, lift the edge slightly, add a drop of nail glue, press down firmly, and cure or hold for 30 seconds. This quick fix stops further peeling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.